Well, I didn't end up going to that water bomb place. I'm gonna have to miss out on that. I really wanted to go, but I woke up with a splitting headache. I'm still not right from when I got food poisoning. Yeah, I've still got cold sweats and that. It's not good. I'm regretting booking a flight tomorrow to Malaysia because it's like monsoon weather. It's absolutely chucking it down apparently. But it's easier for me to get home to UK from there, so that's why I booked it. Hopefully I'll get a few days of no rain. And I probably should have just stayed here for another week and then gone to Kuala Lumpur. But the weather here has been absolutely terrible. It's been raining today, but it's just cleared up now. So I thought I'd have a walk up beach. It's no good when you're ill. You can't do anything. You know, I've got massive pain behind my eyes, like a migraine. I can't even edit a video because I don't want to look at a screen and, you know, just force myself to get out of bed now and just go and have a walk around, try and clear it. Woo. I've had paracetamol and all that, but it's not done anything. Hopefully I'll be alright in a couple of days time, and I'll find something to do in Malaysia because I'm there for nearly 2 weeks. I've already booked my flight to Manchester, so yeah, I have to stay there for 2 weeks, even if it's chucking down every day. Yeah, I'll just have to find something to do. Buy an umbrella. I don't know. Yeah, the beach seems pretty busy. I only came on the beach when I first landed in my first video, and that was chucking it down. Yeah, it seems a bit busier. Very big on surfing around here. I think you can see where it's raining over there. I just want this headache to go. I can't do anything. Are them your flip-flops? No? No? Yeah? Nearly. They were too busy filming the sunset, and his flip-flops went. Well, they call them thongs, don't they? Australians. I don't think he was Australian actually. Eastern European or something. I've already ate something. I've only had a sandwich from a Vietnamese restaurant. Lovely it were. I'll carry on walking down here. I'm not drinking beer. An Australian friend who I met on the first day has messaged me like saying, do you want to meet up? But I don't think I can drink alcohol. It won't do me any good. I need this food poisoning and everything to clear before I start drinking. I've not really explored that side of the beach. I've explored up to about this monument thing here. I think Hard Rock Cafe's down there. I've been to it once to meet my friend last week. Yeah, I'll go and have a walk down there. Nothing else to do. So literally have a walk around or stay in my room. And that doesn't do your headache any good, I don't think. You're better off getting outside. Fresh air. Oh, it started to rain. Whew. Chucking it down again. Said it before, I need to check the weather next time I come. Well, I don't think I'll be coming to Bali again. Nothing here for me, I don't think. Great for surfers. But yeah, just full of unhygienic, really boring food. It's not for me. I really hope Malaysia's not this bad. Oh, it's so depressing. Oh.